2020 Leonard update video. We've really got a lot done this week. So most of the flooring's all in now. Let's go in here. You see it's really coming along well. So we went ahead and ran the flooring out here. We had enough, so we just did it. So you can see right there, all that's done. It looks really good. And then in here, you can see all this quarter rounds going on. They're repainted. It's looking really good. You see, look, all that's laid. We'll be done with this one next week. You see all that. I want to show you all the trash we had to take out of this place, just so you guys know. You see all that? So there's that. So they've also got the kitchen and everything done here. And I'll go down to the basement, then I'll go upstairs. But if they ran it all down here, they're gonna run it on these stairs. This basement really came out nice. So you can kind of see what they did down here. Really clean. We'll get the heater serviced. See all that? Wow. Then here's the bathroom. So I'm gonna have them take this down, of course, but this is all painted. There's the toilet. And we're putting a new shower head there on that, and all this was painted around there. I'll probably have them go around. I think that's just shadows. So you can see that's just shadows. So we'll get that all taken care of. It's looking good, man. It's really looking good. And in here, all this is done. Then let's go upstairs because they got a lot done up there too. We really should be done with this next week. We will be done with it next week, so. So let's go over here, upstairs. So we had a guy come in here too and get all the bathroom sprayed. So that's like brand new again. He's gonna be putting the flooring in the bathroom too. We got everything moved. There's the new tile. Man, it looks good. Wow, it looks really good. He did miss that, but that's where the toilet goes, so it doesn't matter. See right there. All that. And here's the toilet and the vanity. It goes back in there. Get the blinds on. We're gonna clean and poly all this upstairs. Looks really good. Everything's cleaned out, ready to go. Again, here. We're gonna get that closed up too. It was pretty much all coming together. They looked up at the attic. They didn't see any mold up there either, so we're good there. So again, this is your update video. I'm Brad. I'm with Key Realty and Property Management. We managed this house for 4 years, and now we're getting ready to sell. My number is 216-703-5740, or you can WhatsApp me. We have our own rehab, property management, buy, lease, and sell. 216-703-5740, or you can get me on WhatsApp. Like and subscribe. Better properties, exceptional results. Thanks.